Hello everyone! Decorating an eclectic bedroom is about blending various styles, colors, and textures to create a unique, harmonious space. It's an exciting approach that allows for creativity and personal expression while balancing different design elements. Here's a guide on how to bring together various styles and pieces to craft a perfectly curated, eclectic bedroom. 1. Mixing design styles. The key to eclectic design is combining elements from different design styles, such as modern, vintage, bohemian, or industrial. In an eclectic bedroom, you can pair mid-century modern furniture with vintage accessories or blend rustic and contemporary elements. The trick is to ensure the contrasts complement each other rather than clash. For instance, a modern bed with clean lines can be paired with a vintage hand-knotted rug or a statement chandelier, making the space feel rich and layered. 2. Create a focal point. Even in an eclectic space, it's important to have a central focal point that anchors the room. This could be a bold piece of furniture, such as an oversized upholstered headboard, an intricately patterned rug, or a large piece of artwork. The focal point should draw attention and set the tone for the rest of the decor. For example, if you opt for a bold bed frame with an elaborate design, tone down the bedding with simpler linens. Alternatively, if the bed linens are vibrant and patterned, keep the bed frame minimal. The key is to strike a balance between bold and subtle elements to avoid overwhelming the space. 3. Layering textures. Eclectic decor thrives on texture. Layering different textures adds depth and interest to the room. Consider using soft linens, woolen throws, leather cushions, and velvet curtains. You could also add natural textures like jute rugs, wooden furniture, or rattan baskets to bring in a rustic or earthy element. When layering textures, try combining materials that wouldn't traditionally go together, like a sleek metal lamp on a distressed wooden nightstand. Mixing contrasting materials and finishes can create a visually dynamic space that feels warm and inviting. 4. Bold color combinations. One of the hallmarks of eclectic design is the use of bold and unexpected color combinations. While neutral palettes can serve as a base, feel free to experiment with vivid hues. Think jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, or mustard yellow, which can be paired with softer neutrals to avoid overpowering the space. However, the color scheme should be cohesive. Choose a dominant color and allow other shades to complement it. For instance, if your dominant color is teal, you can balance it with softer tones like blush pink or warm neutrals like beige or taupe. A balance of vibrant and muted tones creates visual harmony while keeping the space dynamic. 5. Incorporating patterns. Patterns play a significant role in eclectic bedroom decor. You can mix and match patterns to bring energy and character to the room. Florals, stripes, geometrics, and ethnic prints are common in eclectic design. For example, you might have a floral bedspread, striped throw pillows, and a geometric rug, all in coordinating colors that tie the space together. When mixing patterns, maintain a consistent color palette to avoid visual chaos. A good rule of thumb is to keep one large pattern as the dominant one and use smaller, more subtle patterns as accents. 6. Personal touches and unique accessories. What makes eclectic design special is the opportunity to showcase your personality and tell your story through decor. Incorporate personal items like travel souvenirs, heirloom pieces, or quirky flea market finds. Vintage mirrors, handcrafted pottery, and eclectic wall art can all add a personal touch to the bedroom. Consider an accent wall with a gallery of framed photos, artwork, and unique pieces you've collected. Adding personal touches through decor not only makes the room feel inviting, but also allows it to reflect who you are. 7. Furniture and layout. In an eclectic bedroom, furniture can come from different periods and styles, but it's essential to maintain balance. A well-curated mix of pieces ensures that the room feels intentional rather than chaotic. Mix and match nightstands, use an antique dresser next to a contemporary bed, or opt for mismatched seating. When planning the layout, ensure that the different furniture styles work cohesively. A balanced approach to furniture placement will allow each piece to shine without overpowering the space. Pay attention to the size of each furniture item to maintain proper scale. 8. Incorporating global influences. Eclectic decor often draws inspiration from global cultures. You can introduce Moroccan lanterns, African textiles, or Indian block prints into your eclectic bedroom. Incorporating globally inspired pieces adds richness and a worldly feel to the space. Mix cultural influence through textiles, rugs, or wall decor. A colorful kilim rug or an intricately patterned Japanese screen could serve as a key design feature in your bedroom. 9. Lighting. Lighting is essential to set the mood in an eclectic bedroom. Mix different lighting sources such as table lamps, sconces, and pendant lights to create a warm, layered ambiance. Consider incorporating an ornate chandelier alongside more modern, minimalist lamps for contrast. Different lighting types not only enhance the overall aesthetic, but also make the space functional and cozy. Don't be afraid to experiment with lighting fixtures from various eras and styles, as they can add a playful or dramatic element to the space. 10. Balance and cohesion. While eclectic design is all about mixing and matching, it's essential to maintain balance and cohesion. Stick to a few key design principles to ensure that the room doesn't feel cluttered or haphazard. Keep a consistent color palette, repeat materials or patterns, and ensure that each piece serves a purpose. By carefully balancing different styles, colors, and textures, you can create a bedroom that feels both cohesive and eclectic. The result should be a space that feels collected over time, layered, and deeply personal. Conclusion. Decorating an eclectic bedroom allows you to break away from strict design rules and embrace creativity. It's all about mixing different styles, textures, colors, and patterns to create a cohesive yet unique space. By following these design principles and letting your personality shine through, you can create a bedroom that is both stylish and eclectic, making it a perfect reflection of your individuality. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for home decor ideas.